Hi there my friends, and welcome yet again to another episode of Tony's Comfort Kitchen, the home of comfort food. And today we're doing another pasta dish which is suitable for vegetarians, main ingredients being red peppers and cream cheese. So let's get on with it. Right, as per usual, there aren't many ingredients here. The main ingredients being, apart from 180 grams of pasta which has been cooking in the pan there, we have 2 red peppers, we have 100 milligrams of mascarpone cheese, we have 100 milliliters of milk. We have a scant amount of garlic in there, this is obviously chopped up, but normally if you're just using cloves it would be about half a clove of garlic. It doesn't need a lot. We have half a chopped onion, olive oil to cook it, a little bit of nutmeg to grate over, and a little bit of salt. And then to finish we have Parmigiano Reggiano and some chopped up parsley. And also we will be blitzing the sauce up in a food processor or blender, whatever you want to call it. And that's it. Okay, we'll crack on. Add the olive oil. So we add the peppers, and we may as well add the onions at the same time. Salt. As ever, I will add the garlic a bit later. There isn't much of it, but even so, you don't want to overcook it. Okay, it's been cooking for just a few minutes now. It's starting to wilt down a little bit. I'll help it along just with some of the liquor from the pasta. We'll continue to cook it down until it gets quite soft, and then we'll put it in the blender mixer. So it's been cooking for about 5 minutes. Put the garlic in, and that should be okay. It's been 5 minutes, so it'll be another few minutes yet, about another 3 minutes, and it should be ready to go into the mixer. Into the blender it goes, along with the mascarpone, milk, grape and nutmeg, bit of whiz. back into the pan. Okay, so it's starting to heat through again. We'll now add the pasta. In this case it's penne ricotta. Okay, my friends, this is going to be lovely, I'm sure. Excuse me while I tuck in. Oh yes. Oh yes. Excuse me again. It is delicious. It is sweet from the peppers. It is creamy from the mascarpone. It is Italian. And it is comfort food at its best. You've got to try this. You have to try this dish. It is lovely. And it's very simple, but very lovely. Try this dish at home. And please let me know what you think in the comments below. I would love to hear your experiences of it and what you think of it. I hope you like it as much as I do. But anyway, in the meantime, you know what you need to do. Click on that subscribe button, hit that notification bell and hit the old thumbs up button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, as usual, peace people, take care and stay safe.